Karnataka Home and IT/BT Minister Priyank Kharge on June 12th announced that the government will prepare a comprehensive traffic enforcement and mobility action plan for Bengaluru, focusing on road safety, stricter enforcement of traffic rules, and improving the efficiency of the traffic police. The announcement came after Priyank Kharge visited the Bengaluru Traffic Management Center and reviewed the city's traffic management system with senior officials, including Director General and Inspector General of Police M.A. Salim and Bengaluru City Police Commissioner Seemant Kumar Singh. Officials informed the minister that while Bengaluru's annual population growth rate is around 3.7%, the vehicle growth rate is nearly 10%, creating increasing pressure on the city's transport infrastructure. They also noted that Bengaluru has around 1.25 crore registered vehicles, with the traffic police managing a road network of nearly 14,000 kilometers through 4 divisions and 53 police stations. In a post on X, Priyank Kharge said, Bengaluru requires an agile urban mobility plan to address traffic congestion, last mile connectivity gaps, public transport integration, delivery logistics, corporate commute pressure, and data-driven mobility planning. He also announced plans to set up a multi-agency committee comprising the Traffic Police, Greater Bengaluru Authority, BMTC, BMRCL, BDA, DULT, Suburban Railway, K-Ride, mobility platforms such as Namma Yatri, Move in Sync, Uber and Rapido, delivery platforms like Swiggy, and technology clusters including ORR and Manyata. According to the minister, the committee will work in a mission mode with clear deliverables, dedicated working groups, and dashboard-based accountability to improve coordination and tackle Bengaluru's growing traffic challenges. So viewers, what do you think is the best solution to Bengaluru's growing traffic congestion? Stricter enforcement, better public transport, or improved urban planning? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.